Method 1. How to merge images into PDF using Coolmuster JPG to PDF Converter. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster JPG to PDF Converter, then launch the application. Step 2. Click Add File at the top left to select the pictures you want to merge. If you have many pictures, you'll save more time if you click Add Folder. Ensure you check the box for all images you want to convert. Step 3. Select page size and set the margins on the left panel. The default size is a 4. You can leave it as such unless you want a different size. Also, ensure the box for merge into one file remains checked. Click the 3 dots button on the right to select the output folder. Step 4. Click the Start button to start converting. The process will take a few seconds, depending on the number and size of photos you added. Once complete, click Show in Folder or Open Folder to view the PDF file. Method 2. How to combine pictures into PDF using MS PowerPoint. Step 1. Launch MS PowerPoint. Click New Slide in the Home tab and select Blank, as shown below. This will give you a blank slide with no titles and subtitles. Step 2. Click the button above New Slide to add as many slides as your pictures. Click the Insert tab and select the Picture button on the left. Browse your computer and add one image per slide. Step 3. Once you've added all the pictures, click the Office button followed by Save As. Step 4. Type the file name in the Save As dialog box. Click the drop-down arrow at the Save As type and select PDF. Finally, click Save to begin merging the photos into PDF. PowerPoint will merge the pictures into one PDF and open the file once complete. Method 3. How to combine photos into PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Step 1. Launch Adobe Acrobat. Click Tools at the top. A panel of tools will appear. Click Combine Files. Step 2. Click Add Files to add images from your computer, or you can drag them to the application. Step 3. After adding the images, sort them by dragging them to ensure they appear in the right order. Click the Combine button at the top right to merge the pictures. Step 4. Once Adobe Acrobat combines the images, click the File button followed by Save. Give the file a name and save it on your computer. Method 4. How to merge pictures into PDF using SmallPDF. Step 1. Visit smallpdf.com and select the Tools option from the main menu. Click JPG to PDF Tools. Step 2. Click Choose Files to import the images. SmallPDF allows you to upload images from your computer and cloud storage like Dropbox and Google Drive. Step 3. Once you've added all the image files to the platform, click Convert on the top right. Step 4. Wait a moment for the conversion to finish. Click Download if you want to save the PDF file on your computer, or click the drop-down arrow next to the Download button to export the file to cloud storage. Method 5. How to merge photos to PDF using JPG to PDF. Step 1. Visit jpg-to-pdf.com and click the Upload Files button. Select up to 20 image files you want to merge and upload them. Step 2. Click the Combine button below the images you uploaded. The tool will start downloading the merged files in PDF format. Go to your download folder and open the PDF file. Method 6. How to combine 2 images into one PDF using illuVEP. Step 1. Visit ilovepdf.com and select JPG to PDF on the home page. Step 2. Click the Select JPG Images button to upload your pictures. You can also import images from Dropbox and Google Drive by clicking on their icons on the right. Step 3. After uploading the pictures, click the Convert to PDF button. After a few seconds, illuVEP will merge the images into PDF. Step 4. Click the Download PDF button if you want to save the file on your computer, or click the icons on the right to export the file to cloud storage. Method 7. How to combine multiple JPEGs into one PDF using PDF24. Step 1. Visit pdf24.org and select JPG to PDF from the panel of Tools. Step 2. Click Choose Files to add images or drag and drop them to the application. Step 3. After uploading all files, click the Convert button at the bottom right. Step 4. Click the Download button to save the file on your computer. You can also click Preview to open the PDF file on PDF24.